Jammu and Kashmir, the crown of India, is renowned for its global records and natural wonders. Home to the world's highest railway bridge, towering 359 meters above the Chenab River, higher than the Eiffel Tower. The largest tulip garden in Asia, with 1.5 million tulips in over 64 varieties, blooming each spring in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri saffron, the world's most expensive spice, costs over $3,000 per kilogram, a symbol of Jammu and Kashmir's agricultural excellence. Jammu and Kashmir produces the finest pashmina, where a single shawl requires 180 hours of craftsmanship, known globally for its unparalleled softness. Gulmarg offers the highest and longest ski lift in Asia, reaching 4,390 meters, attracting adventure seekers worldwide. Shalimar Bagh and other Mughal gardens are recognized by UNESCO for their breathtaking Persian-inspired design.